Are you getting enough protein in your diet? If you're not sure, you're not alone. Many people struggle to meet their daily requirements, which can impact muscle health, weight management, and overall well-being. But getting enough protein doesn't have to be complicated. In fact, there are plenty of surprising sources that can help you reach your goals without even realizing it. Here are 7 protein-rich foods you probably didn't know you should be eating more of. Number 1. Green peas. With around 8 grams of protein per cup, green peas are a surprisingly good source of protein for a vegetable. They're also rich in fiber and important micronutrients like vitamin K and folate. Number 2. Broccoli. Although not a traditional protein food, broccoli has a solid protein-to-calorie ratio and is an excellent source of vitamins C and K. 1 cup of cooked broccoli provides about 4 to 5 grams of protein. Number 3. Pumpkin seeds or pepitas. These crunchy seeds are a great snack or salad topping that can add a significant amount of protein to your diet. 1 ounce of pumpkin seeds, which is about a small handful, provides around 7 grams of protein. They're also loaded with iron, magnesium, and zinc. Number 4. Cottage cheese. Often overshadowed by Greek yogurt, cottage cheese is a true protein powerhouse. 1 cup of cottage cheese provides a whopping 25 grams of protein. It's also high in casein, a protein that digests slowly and keeps you feeling full for hours. Number 5. Spirulina. This blue-green algae may look unusual, but it's a complete protein containing all 9 essential amino acids. Plus, it's over 50% protein by weight. 2 tablespoons of spirulina provide about 8 grams of protein, as well as B vitamins, iron, and antioxidants. Number 6. Oats. While oats are well known for their carbohydrates and fiber, they're also a good source of protein. 1/2 cup of dry oats provides about 5 grams of protein. And when combined with milk or seeds, oats can form a complete protein source. And number 7. Potatoes. Often dismissed as starchy carbs, potatoes actually contain more protein than you might expect. 1 medium-baked potato with skin provides about 4 grams of protein. When combined with other protein sources, potatoes can help you meet your daily requirements without adding too many extra calories. So there you have it, 7 protein-packed foods you may not have considered before. Whether you're a dedicated fitness enthusiast or just looking to add a few more healthy options to your diet, these surprising sources of protein can help you reach your goals without breaking a sweat. Do you find this video informative or helpful? Let us know in the comments section below. Make sure to subscribe, like and share this video for more nutrition tips. And that's all for now. See you next time.